बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे 16 फरवरी 2025 के अखबार में। पोजीशन ओपन। अकाउंट्स एंड एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन रिक्वायर एप्लीकेशंस फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ अकाउंट्स ऑफिसर बैचलर्स डिग्री with 2 to 3 years hands-on experience in accounts/finance department. Send CVs with mention last salary drawn at careers@pawc.edu.pk before 23rd Feb 2025. A well-reputed school in Model Colony immediately requires an experienced account assistant with relevant degree and experience in school account management. Market competitive salary and medical coverage offered. Send CVs at careers@bass.edu.pk. For inquiries call 021344030492 021344030492. Required 5 years practical experience. Accountant, assistant accountant and auditor must proficient MS Excel worksheets, able to handle independently computerized accounting. Email jobs mohammaditraders@gmail.com. A well-reputed firm is looking for accounts officer. Must have bachelor's degree and having experience on ERP software and knowledge of imports, export, sales tax will be preferred. Fashion labels 247@gmail.com. Position open for accountant at Vet Pharmaceutical Co. Candidates with relevant experience and strong IT skills should forward CVs at hr@asn.com.pk. hr@asn.com.pk. A well-known advertising agency requires an accounts assistant. Interested candidates should be a graduate with at least 3 years of experience in accounts. Send your application with complete details and experience to his email address hr.ac.2025@gmail.com. Qualified accountant and assistant accountant, well conversant with Tally and proficient in tax matters / female receptionist, well conversant with MS Office. Required to work with AKS PVT located near Baroch Colony Bridge, Charai Faisal, Karachi. Candidate of nearby locality will be preferred. Email your CV with recent photograph on akspakistan@yahoo.com. Contact 0213454530 0213454530. Textile unit required accountant BCom having 3 to 4 years experience of accounts and taxation work on ERP Oracle. Send your resume at atml5018@gmail.com. General, we are looking for dynamic and organized individuals with a strong interpersonal and organizational skills and a minimum of 2 years of experience in their respective fields. A minimum of a graduate degree is required. Female receptionist / admin officer with basic IT knowledge. The ideal candidate will be responsible for managing front desk operations, handling day-to-day administrative tasks and providing basic IT support when needed. Finance executive, the ideal candidate will be responsible for dealing with APNS, PBA and recoveries of clients' billing. Email your resume at info@orient-com hr@orient-com.com. कॉम COMM है, उसके बाद फिर डॉट है, फिर COM है. A seafood company located at West Wharf, Karachi is looking for import and export officer and stock management officer. Male candidate preferred. Requirements fresh graduate or 3 years of experience. Salary will be decided upon interview. Interested candidates are required to submit their CVs to sumaira.aslam 093@gmail.com. A leading manufacturer and exporter of terry towels is hiring accountant for their vertical mills. Minimum accounts graduate and well conversant with the Islamic banking laws. For at least 5 years, mail CV Farouk at fashionartinternational.com. Call center agent. A well-known call center requires fresh and experienced boys and girls for its 2 branches, UP Mode, North Karachi and Surjani Town, Sector L. For London, 1 boys timing 6:30 pm to 2:30 am and girls timing 6:30 pm to 1 pm. Salary plus commission. Age limit 18 to 35 years. English should be good. Night shift. Home return facility is available for girls. WhatsApp your resume. No call. 031324999875. 031324999875. If you want to handsome income, then join us and make a career in tourism industry. Contact +923327321924. +923327321924. Import Trading and Services Company, near Tariq Road. Required male commercial staff. Candidates apply with resume at hr@globalcorporationpk.com. hr@globalcorporationpk.com. Merchandiser and assistant merchandiser and quality auditor. Line and quality auditor position are for well-groomed, well-dressed, well-mannered and self-confident, literate in English and Urdu for garment and garments production and operation. Present yours well-detailed CV and textile sourcing world at gmail.com. Required female HR executive and receptionist. Command over MS Office. Communication skill in English. Advantageous personality with effective interpersonal skills. Manage accounts or social media accounts. Email baqatvnetwork@gmail.com. 021356700011. 021356700011 and 35670022. 35670022. मैनेजमेंट की जॉब या मैनेजर इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू मैनेज एंड मेंटेन वास्ट award winning gardens in center of Karachi city, consisting of grassy lawns, flower beds, trees and shrubs. The person has to supervise the gardeners to maintain and improve the gardens. A graduate from the agricultural university or a pleasant horticulturalist. Personality with administrative experience is required. Salary will commensurate with their relevant experience and education. Interested candidates may email their CVs with latest photograph at horticulture20@yahoo.com. Latest by February 19, 2025. Al-Tamash Hospital, Clifton, Block 1, Karachi immediately requires assistant manager human resources who can assist HR departmental head in execution of HR related matters. Should be well versed with 2 HMIS. A good communicator and skilled motivator. Should be able to manage the recruitment, selection and retention process. Qualification required bachelor/BBA with minimum 3 years HR experience in institution. Hospital experience will be preferred. Years excellent salary package. Contact please email CV with salary expectations on jobs at altamash.pk. मल्टीपल की जॉब है. AD Evolution is one of leading OOH media agency in Pakistan. We are hiring for following position: client service executive for Lahore and Karachi, sales executive for Lahore and Karachi, graphic designer 2D and 3D for Karachi and Lahore, accounts executive for Lahore and Karachi. Send your resume at hr@ad-evolution.com.pk with the applied position mentioned in subject. A textile buying house is hiring for the following positions: 1 female senior merchandiser for home textile and garments, 2 female junior merchandiser for home textile and garments, 3 male junior merchandiser for home textile and garments, 4 male senior merchandiser for home textile and garments, 5 junior quality controller for home textile and garments, 6 senior quality auditor for home textile and garments. Interested candidates can send their CVs to jobs@supertaxagencies.com. jobs@supertaxagencies.com. Construction, interior and furniture company requires experienced staff as per the same job. Minimum 5 years experience. HR manager, senior accountant, junior accountant, computer operator, storekeeper, civil interior work supervisor, especially recommended ID work experience. Email aimughal122@gmail.com. Female and male staff required basic education, inter computer basic courses mandatory. CV WhatsApp number 0341 777 888. 0341 777 888. Office in Karachi looking for staff, office assistant, video editing, graphic designer, trainee, customer handling, telephone operator. Contact email CV on jobscareercv@gmail.com. अच्छा जी, IT सपोर्ट ऑफिसर की जॉब आई हुई है नेपा में. नेपा इनवाइट्स एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस्ड IT सपोर्ट ऑफिसर विद ए minimum of diploma/bachelor's degree in information technology, possessing 3 to 5 years of hands-on experience in supporting and maintaining IT systems including CCTV in an established/reputable firm. The ideal candidate will be responsible for troubleshooting. ये मैं आप लोगों को बता देती हूँ कि रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़: हार्डवेयर एंड सॉफ्टवेयर सपोर्ट, नेटवर्क एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, CCTV सिस्टम मैनेजमेंट, सिस्टम एंड सर्वर maintenance, technical support and troubleshooting, website maintenance with WordPress expertise, security and data protection, installation and configuration, training and support, documentation and reporting apply. Now interested candidates with a demonstrated experience are encouraged to apply at hr@nepa.org.pk with the position mentioned in the subject line, latest by 23rd February 2025. Join us in shaping the future of performing arts in Pakistan. NEPA, National Academy of Performing Arts, MR Kiani Road, Civil Lines, Karachi. Telephone number 021356937012. 021356937012. Email hr@nepa.org.pk. A company set up in 2004 under Section 42 of the Companies Ordinance 1984. अच्छा जी, एक और ये जॉब है. अर्जेंटली रिक्वायर्ड. अ वेल रेप्यूटेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज सीकिंग एप्लीकेशंस फ्रॉम qualified candidates for the following positions: assistant secretary, eligibility graduate or master's degree, computer literate with excellent drafting and communication skills, senior accountant, eligibility postgraduate degree in commerce or a relevant field with 12 to 15 years of experience having worked in well-known companies, admin officer, eligibility graduate with 5 to 10 years of administrative experience, must be computer literate and capable of recording meeting minutes both in-house and externally. Strong communication skills are required. IT supervisor, eligibility bachelor's degree or diploma in computer science or a relevant field with at least 5 to 6 years of supervisory experience in maintenance. Candidates who meet the above criteria are encouraged to send their CVs at least by 28th February 2025 via career.khi.2025@gmail.com. Join Pixel Entertainment. We are hiring for multiple positions. Females only, age 22 to 30. Pixel Entertainment is hiring. We are looking for talented and passionate female professionals to join our team. We have multiple positions open. So, if you have a creative mindset and a drive for excellence, this is your chance to be part of something exciting. Open positions: digital marketer, drive campaigns and boost brand visibility, secretary slash personal assistant, stay organized and support leadership, marketing executive, create strategies and engage audiences, content creator, craft compelling visuals and stories, location Karachi, on site. Why join us? Competitive salary and perks, creative and growth driven environment, work with a passionate and innovative team. Apply now. Send your CV to careers at thepixelentertainment.com. For more details, feel free to reach out. UN number 0211113000375 0211113000375। तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।